Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing some more acrylic pouring. We're going to be making 2 more flip cups. This is kind of like part 2 to my previous video, so if you haven't seen that video, go check that out. I'll link it down below. We're going to be using the same paints as before, Artist Loft brand pre-mixed ready to pour paints. All you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to pour. I'm adding a few drops of the Artist Loft brand silicone oil to my cups here, 4 drops in the white and 3 drops in both of the blue. Well, one's turquoise and one's blue. And I'm layering my cups the same way. So I'm going to do black first, turquoise, bright blue, and then my metallic white, and that's it for this cup. And then I'm going to do the opposite in this cup. So I'm going to do metallic white, bright blue, turquoise, and black, and that's it. I'm using about, I would say, a little under 2 ounces of paint for a 4x4 ceramic tile, and these are ceramic tiles I had poured previously and done a resin top coat on them, and I just wasn't happy with them, so I was like, I'm gonna re-pour them. So I let the cups sit on my tiles here for about, I would say, a minute, and then lifted my cups, and I'm not doing anything special with my tilting. I'm just trying to get the paint to all 4 corners of my ceramic tiles, and you can get these tiles at Home Depot, Lowe's. If you haven't poured on them previously like I have, you don't need to do much to prep them. I just clean them off with some 91% isopropyl alcohol and pour on them. And you can get these pouring paints from Michael's. I'll link them down below as well. So now I'm going to go in with my torch, and this is where the magic happens. You can see the cells starting to form from that silicone oil, and I've used other brands of silicone oil on the tile we're about to pour here. You can see I used the treadmill brand silicone oil off Amazon on that, and you can tell the cells just aren't as good as with the Artist Loft brand silicone oil. So if you've been struggling with cells, definitely try the Artist Loft brand silicone oil and try their pouring paints too. I'm gonna go in and torch this one, and this one had some really awesome cells show up. There was like a really cool line in the bottom left hand corner. I'll bring you in for a close-up, but these cells will start to grow as they sit. These paints had been sitting for a while, and you can tell on these pieces in comparison to the pieces in my previous video, the cells are just a lot bigger. So if you want big juicy cells like this, mix in your silicone oil and let it sit for about 30 minutes before you pour. If you pour right away, you'll get really nice tiny tight cells like shown in my previous video. But here's how they're looking with the wet finish. I still think they turned out really awesome. I love the cells on them. I'm gonna let them dry, and I'll show you what they look like when they're all nice and dry. Here they are, all nice and dry. I really love the cells on this one, and it's got that fun ribbon going across there. I think that this one is my favorite of the two. I'm gonna let these kind of dry and cure, I guess, for another probably 10 days, and then I'll go in and clean them and seal them before I give them a clear resin top coat and turn them into coasters again. I really love this top left corner on this coaster here, but I'm not crazy about the rest of it. Let me know what you guys think. Should I let this one live, or should I re-pour it? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll link my video down below showing you how I clean my pieces that have silicone oil in them. If you use silicone oil, you have to clean that oil off before you go in and do a varnish or a resin. So I'll link that video down below. Go check it out and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!